It's that girl Niecy. Yeah. There's something about you I've never come across before. You've opened up a new door.
Purple satin bag that has Allove hair in it, and it didn't come in a box. It just came in a DHL package that had the satin bag in it, and it also came with a wig cap and an instruction manual. So this is the hair after air drying, and I really do love the curls. I absolutely love the color of this unit. And this is the parting space and the closure. It doesn't come pre-plucked or pre-bleached, but it is the standard construction of a closure wig. So you have combs, you have the closure, the lace rather, and then the adjustable strap. So as this unit doesn't come pre-bleached, I decided to go in with my foundation. I always do this, it works for me. And I also tinted my wig cap. However, you can bleach it if you want. So I decided to lay this unit down. Even though it's the perfect size for my head, I am a small medium and a medium small and a small big small. I don't even know how to explain it, but okay, borderline, I'm a medium, okay, and this fits my head perfect. So I went in with my got2b the black gel first, and then I also went in with the frizz spray, and I used my blow dryer just to lay it down. So that's basically the laying down process. It was very easy. So I'm going to give you specs on this unit. Like I said, this unit is from Allove Hair, and it's their honey blonde ombre hair in the color P4/27. And the texture is a deep curly, and of course it is a 4x4 lace closure human hair wig. The length of this unit is 24 inches, and if you want to purchase this exact same unit, which is the length and the color and everything, sorry, I forgot to mention, the density is also 150. I don't believe you can choose any other density, but I feel like this density is very natural and it looks amazing. But you can choose between the length 16 to 26 inches. So this exact unit, which is 24 inches, is $210. However, I do have a discount code in the description box. Please check that out so you can get dollars off. So that is all for the specs of this unit. Now back to the unit itself. After cutting off the lace, I decided to do some baby hairs on the side. I think I've mentioned this severally in my videos before. If it is a lace closure wig, I always like to do the baby hairs on the side so it covers where the closure kind of stops. And yeah, that's basically all I did. I laid it down and I went in with my hot comb just to flatten out the top, and I also went in with some water as well just to hydrate the curls. Unlike other curly units which dry like really big and dry super quickly, I feel like this doesn't dry really big. It dries to a reasonable density. Of course, if you do want it to be bigger, you can play with it and brush it out, but I feel like it dries to a bearable density, which I personally love, because sometimes curly hairs could just mess up your whole look and just look so poofy. So just to put that out there, you don't have to worry about that with this particular unit. So I'm just going to leave you guys to enjoy the rest of the video. This was such a quick and easy install. I really love this hair. I feel like it's giving me Beyonce vibes, and this is like one of the most perfect summer hairstyle, especially because of the color and the highlights. And I also feel like this color will go amazing on any skin tone, because as you can tell, the hair isn't black, is a color 4, which has like 27 highlights. So I just feel like it's going to be flattering on any skin tone, so you don't have to be worried about looking crazy. If you're like super duper dark skin, this will be beautiful on you. I went on their website and I saw some dark skin beautiful queens wear this hair, and it looked so good on them. So yeah, don't be shy, don't be afraid, the color isn't so loud. But yeah, I really love this unit and I think you would love it too. So please check the description box for every single detail. And please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. God bless. Bye guys.
It's mad you think it's all talk, but I ain't really on a real thing with ya. I ain't playing around with ya no more. solo shots of me. I want you to